The common Myna is readily identified by the brown body, black hooded head and the bare yellow patch behind the eye. The bill and legs are bright yellow. There is a white patch on the outer primaries and the wing lining on the underside is white. The sexes are similar and birds are usually seen in pairs. These Mynas The common Myna screeches warnings to its mate or other birds in cases of predators in proximity or when it is about to take off flying. Common Mynas are popular as cage birds for their singing and speaking abilities. Before sleeping in communal roosts, common Mynas vocalize in unison, which is known as communal noise. The common Myna or Indian Mynah, Acridotheus tristis, sometimes spelled Myna, is a bird in the family Sternidae, native to Asia. An omnivorous open woodland bird with a strong territorial instinct, the common Myna has adapted extremely well to urban environments. The range of the common Myna is increasing at such a rapid rate that in 2000 the IUCN Species Survival Commission declared it one of the world's most invasive species and one of only 3 birds listed among 100 of the world's worst invasive species that pose a threat to biodiversity, agriculture and human interests. 3. In particular, the species poses a serious threat to the ecosystems of Australia, where it was named the most important pest problem in 2008.